Good morning, YouTube friends. This is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm out for a drive. It's cold out, windy, 70 kilometers an hour. We're under a flash freeze warning right now. I'm not at my off-grid home. I'm down in southern Ontario. Actually up there, they're calling for snow as well. And it has been snowing, so when I get back, I'm going to be stuck with the ATV and the snowblower, get things cleaned up. But anyways, I'm right now down in southern Ontario. I got called down here to go to work for a few days. I've been here for a few days now. What I'm doing is I'm working on a pipeline, 20-inch pipeline. What the deal is that there's trees above this pipeline that have to be taken down. I had a tree service for 35 years, so I'm quite handy with a chainsaw. So there's trees on top of this pipeline that have to be taken down in preparation to have the pipeline installed. So I'm working with an environmentalist. I'm working with a pipeline company. I'm working with a gas company. And basically what the deal is that when this pipeline's set to start in the spring, they have to have these trees out of the way. And the reason we're doing it today, and I have been doing it for the last few days, in the cold and in the snow and in the blowing wind, is because we got to get these trees down before the birds start to nest. In the summer, you have to deal with endangered species of snakes and all kinds of different things, frogs, all kinds of different endangered species, even endangered animals. So on the pipeline, they're quite protective of the environment. So what happens is if we don't take the trees down now, then the birds start to nest in the trees. And once the birds start nesting in the trees, some of the birds could be an endangered species. So to eliminate that, we're taking down these trees. So that's what I'm doing today. And I'm longing to go back home. I've got lots of plans up there. I've got flooring, I've got a heater, I've got inverter, I've got just all kinds of stuff. And of course, adding to my jobs up there, when I get there, I have to do the snow. So I don't really have too much to say today. So anyways, that's the deal. Nothing special happening, just going to work today and cutting down some trees. Anyways, you guys take care. And like I say, in the future, I'm going to bring some good quality videos. I got a few lined up that I'm going to be doing, and hopefully I can give you some good content. And if you're thinking about going off-grid, then that's great. And if you are off-grid, that's great too. And if these videos can help you, then that's wonderful. So leave a comment if there's something that you want to know, something that you want to research and that you haven't got time to research. Leave a comment. I'll see if I can research it for you. I can see if I can help you, because my goal here, of course, I want to get subscribers. I want to get monetized. But my goal here is to encourage people to live the off-grid lifestyle. So anyways, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and keep warm.